Hello, welcome back. So the things to do after a base Arch Linux installation is, I think you can view that. So the things to be performed after base Arch Linux installation are like you need to install pacman-s. You need to install your display driver xf86-video-intel. If you are having Radeon cards, you can install xf86 video ATI or AMD to work. If you are having NVIDIA, you can install NVIDIA and NVIDIA-utils. You can do that. I'm sorry. You can do that. Then the next thing is you can install Xorg for a display server. Then you can install a browser. Then you can install your desktop environment. You can install a firewall. PowerD, I'm using PowerD. If you want to use UFW, you can use that. So it's going to download these many packages, and the next thing is we need to enable the firewall. So sudo system, no, you don't need to use sudo because we are already root. systemctl enable firewall D. So it will enable firewall D for us. Use systemctl. If you have installed Gnome, enable GDM. I'm sorry. We'll have enabled GDM for us. Now we can create a user if we want. User add -m capital G, and we are specifying wheel group for accessing super user privileges, and followed by the username type. And if we hit enter, it's going to create a user with the username you specified, and the user will be a part of wheel group. After doing that, you have to enter editor equals, you have to specify your editor. Mine is Vim. If you have used nano, you can specify nano over there, and y sudo, and go down to the line where it says wheel all and all, and it will be like commented, so it will be like this. So you have to go inside that and remove the hash for that. Then you can save and exit. Then you can reboot. So after you have completed the reboot, you will be greeted with this login screen. This is the GDM, so you can log in with your password. So after you log in, so this is Gnome 40 on Arch Linux. So today Gnome 40 have arrived on the extra repositories of Arch Linux. So you can see all these changes over here. So Gnome 40 have new workspace layout, and if you go to settings, you can see this is Arch Linux. I don't know why the font is rendered like that. Maybe I need to do some customization regarding the theme, probably. So for your audio, you can for your audio and Bluetooth, if you are on a laptop, increase the font size a little bit. You can do sudo pacman-s. You can use pulse audio or pipewire. That is according to you. I'm going to use pipewire -pulse. Then you can use Blueman for Bluetooth, or you can use pulse audio -s, pulse audio and pulse audio -Bluetooth, Blueman, and PAVU, I think. So that's GNOME 40 on Arch Linux. I hope you all have a wonderful day.